Install your barrel into the Spectre Ballistics C-71 action. Place the Spectre Ballistics adjustable V-block onto the C-71 action. Install the two provided action screws. Install the adjustment set screw using the adjustment set screw and 2mm Allen key provided. Tighten the adjustment set screw until the adjustment set screw contacts the barrel. Tighten the action screws snugly. Install your charging handle into your Spectre Ballistics C-71 receiver and fully compress the spring. Place the bolt on top of the charging handle until it is fully seated. Install your trigger into your Spectre Ballistics C-71 action. Insert the two trigger pins into the action and use a rubber mallet to seat the pins if required. Install the recoil buffer into the C-71 receiver. Place your stock on your Spectre Ballistics C-71 receiver and tighten down the takedown screw. Install the barrel band by sliding it over the barrel and onto the stock. Tighten snugly using a flathead screwdriver.